Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back to 1968 and a big hit for the small faces. This is called Itchycoo Park. I do hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. Now, I've already done their #1 hit, All or Nothing, in a previous video, so I'll leave a little link to that video at the end of this one so you can go ahead and check that out. But if you're ready now, go grab your guitar. It's Itchycoo Park time. I'll see you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, there's the intro. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, we've got a bar chord of A, and then we've got a bar chord of F sharp minor. Now, how to play that, if you've not already done bar chords before, I have done a video on how to play bar chords, but I'll just quickly run through. We're going to hold down all 6 strings with our first finger on the 5th fret. Then we're going to be 6th fret G string with our 2nd finger, and then 7th fret A string with our 3rd finger, and 7th fret D string with our little finger. That gives us our A major chord. Then we come down to the 2nd position with our 1st finger on the 2nd fret. Take away our 2nd finger. That gives us a F sharp minor. Now, feel free to put your 2nd finger on top of the 1st to help that go down. That's just up to you. Okay, so A, first thing, strum pattern goes like this. We're gonna upstroke on the top 2 or 3 strings of the chord. Okay, so it's going to be E string, A string, possibly at a push, the D string. And what's going to happen as we upstroke, we're going to upstroke with our 1st finger off, and then as we've done it, put it on afterwards as a hammer on. Put it like that. So upstroke it, then hammer it on. And then we're going to go up, down. So we do the up lick, and then up, down. So the up, down is over all the strings. So the hammer on bit is just on the top couple, and then the up, down is on all of them. And then we do the same thing down on the F sharp minor. And that is the intro, okay? So next we're going to move on to how to play the verse. So the verse is chords. The chords we're going to need is A. The chords we need are A. Then what we're going to do, we're going to move down a semitone, and we're going to bring our fingers down by a string. So I'll show you what that looks like now. That is a D flat minor. Okay, so we've gone from A, down 1, bring your fingers down. That is a D flat minor. And then we're going to go down 1 more and bring your fingers back up again to the original shape we had when we was doing the A. That, what we're in now, is the chord of G. And then we're going to go to a D. So I'll just take you through that again. A, 2, 3, 4, D flat, minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. Again, A, 2, 3, 4, D flat minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's go through the chords. So we got down, up, 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 down, up. So we just move the strings. We get that strum pattern sorted out. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There's the strum pattern. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. La, la, la. To the G and then to D. To 83 for D, flat minor. Okay, so that is the first bit of the verse. Now we got the bit that goes, what did you do there? So that bit goes. So we've got some accents going on there. So let me show you how that's done. The chords we need are A, G, D. So we've got down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. For that, what did you do there? Down, down, up, down. And then we obviously finished that off with the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up we was doing as we were going along. It's just because this what did you do there bit has got the accents in. So so down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so let's take you through the verse and all the way through. What did you do there? The what did you do there bit. So we've got the verse 2, 3, and A, D flat minor, G, D, and again A, D flat minor, G, D. Here we go. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Now we've got the chorus. The chorus goes like this. Really, really basic, the chorus, because it is essentially what you've been doing for the intro. A, it's all too beautiful, which is the F sharp minor. It's all too beautiful. Same strum pattern down. It's all too beautiful. 4 times. It's all that is the chorus. Can't go wrong with that. That's straightforward. I'm going to call this bit the psychedelic bit. You'll know the bit I mean. This is the bit that goes, if you're inclined to blow your mind or lose your mind, step on out, feed the ducks with a bun. And it's got all that psychedelic stuff going on behind. So we're going to do this. We're going to go just 1 downstroke, let it ring. If you're inclined to normal C, so an open C in the first position. I'll show that to you up to the camera. I'm sure you're familiar with that one anyway. And then we've got G and to D and then back to A. Now, A to the C, G and to D, back to A. Now, you can either do this A, or while you're down there, you can do the open A. So if you wanted to, you can go, if you're inclined to blow your mind. So A to the C, and G, and then D, and then A. A 2, 3, 4, C 2, 3, 4, G 2, 3, D 2, 3, E. So that's the psychedelic bit, okay? We'll go through that one more time. So we've gone 1 stroke for the A, 2, 3, and A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, down, down, down on the G, down, down, down on the D, and then down stroke on the A. And then A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 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 D, 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 E, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to the verse, and so on. Okay, so one more time with the psychedelic bit, and then we'll have a quick playthrough. Okay, so 2, 3, and if you're inclined to C, G, 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 D, 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 A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 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 D, 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 E, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the playthrough. A, D flat minor, G, D, back to A, G, D flat minor, G, and then D, then down, down, up, down, down, up. So we got that. What did you do there, bit? Good. A, G, D, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Chorus, chorus, chorus. A, so, do, do, do. A, F sharp minor. F sharp minor. A, F sharp minor. Psychedelic bit. You're inclined to C and G, 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 D, 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 A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 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 D, 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 E. Then back to verse and so there we have it, Itchycoo Park from 68. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in a future video. Always great to read them and see what you're saying. And if you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, and as that would do me a massive favour. Helps me grow the channel and helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, take great care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.